Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Evanjos, and in this video we'll be talking about how long it takes to become a doctor in India. So is it a sprint, a marathon, or an epic journey that is worthy of a movie? Let's find out. It all begins in school. Even to qualify for this exam, you will have to take biology, physics and chemistry in your 11th and 12th. Yes, that's true that biology is the most important subject and you genuinely have to like it to go ahead with medicine. Next up is the legendary NEET exam, previously known as AIPMT. Every single doctor you would have met would have slayed this exam. So here in this exam, the competition is fierce, but you can definitely clear it if you're well prepared. So once you get a decent rank in NEET, you will get allotted into a medical college. So now begins MBBS, which stands for Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. So this is beginning of something very beautiful because this is the place where you'll meet your great friends and make tons of memories. But there is also another part where you'll have a lot of exams and you'll go through a lot of stress every single day. And you will be exposed to a lot of subjects. You will get trained in so many things, from dissecting a dead body to studying physiology, gynecology, medicine, surgery, pediatrics, and the number of subjects are endless. But not really endless. If you ask me the exact number, it will be 19 medical subjects. So just when you have finished 4.5 years of MBBS and you would have been done writing so many exams, you will have 1 year of internship. So this 1 year, you will be basically working in the hospital and you won't have much to read. It's basically whatever things you have learned in these 4.5 years, you're going to apply in this 1 year and learn. And this is a great time because you will learn a lot of practical stuff and you will learn how to manage cases, emergencies and casualties. And also this is that time when you will start getting stipend, even though it is less in many places, but something is better than nothing. So as an intern doctor, you will be rotated in various departments like community medicine, internal medicine, general surgery, obs and gynecology, orthopedics, pediatrics, etc. And once you're done with rotation in all these subjects, you will be called as a doctor. So when it comes to specialization, you can take up MD, MS or DNB in India. So MD is Doctor of Medicine. So here you will take non-surgical branches like radiology, general medicine, psychiatry, dermatology, etc. And when it comes to MS, that is Master of Surgery, you'll be taking up surgical branches like general surgery, orthopedics, ENT, ophthalmology, obs and gynecology. And in DNB, that is Diplomate of National Board, you can take up both surgical and medical branches. So all these three, that is MS, MD and DNB, all these three are 3 years and are of the same level. So when it comes to super specialization in India, you will have to take up DM, MCH or DrNB. So DM is Doctorate of Medicine. So here the top branches would be cardiology, neurology, interventional radiology, and that is what I have taken up, nephrology, gastroenterology, rheumatology, etc. And when it comes to surgery, after your MS surgery, you will have to take up something called as MCH. So that is the DM equivalent in surgical fields. So that is also 3 years. And here you can take cardiac surgery, neurosurgery, urology, etc. And then you have DrNB, that is Doctorate of National Board. That is also 3 years and that you can take in both these medical subjects and surgical subjects. And that is awarded by the National Board of Education. So in short, MBBS is 5.5 years, specialization is 3 years and super specialization is another 3 years. So in total, to collect all these badges, you will require around 11.5 years. That is if you have not taken any drop years in between to prepare for these entrance exams. But however, you can also start practicing with your MBBS degree that will only take 5.5 years. Thank you.